Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here in Big Lots, and as I walk in the door, I see these nice pink, black, and gray women's sweatshirts by Reebok. They were $26. Also, these bags here, I did see a black and pink one for $16. I did pick up the pink Reebok shirt there. They also had them in blue, dark blue, gray, and black for men, and they were $26 as well. Now, where can you find a Reebok sweatshirt for $26? I think that was an awesome deal, and I think you need to stop by and pick up one. All right, so I see that they start putting out a lot of their monogram decor, $20 and under. These are really nice. Look at the candles. And it's made by Honey and Fig scented candles. Those are really nice. And they are $6. I see a lot of monogram letters up there. $7 for those. And they have some nice pillows. They're very small, but they're really nice. Look at those. Those baskets down there. And they have these monogram towels here. You get a set of 3, actually 2. And let's see here, $5 for those. All right, so in the middle of the store here, they have this new collection out called Urban Bungalow. But look how nice that wall art there is. $10 for that. Very nice. And they're having a 20% off on all their bedding and decor here. They have a lot of wall art, table decor, You Are My Home. Look at those candle holders right there, guys. Those are $6. I love those. They have a few of the clocks out in white and gray. I think those were $10 if I'm not mistaken. They also have these nice pillars right here. I'm really feeling the Urban Bungalow. I really like their items. More wall decor, table decor. Be kind to one another. Do the right thing. Today I choose joy. They have some nice pillows here. Those were $10. Very nice. Don't remember the price of those. Let's see. $14 for those. They have a lot of faux plants. $8 for those. I love that tray right there. Something simple. More decor. I love the elephants right there. $12 for those. And they have a 4-piece pre-washed sheet set here for $22 in different colors. And this is what I actually fell in love with right here. This wall decor right here. I don't remember the price of it, but I think it was $16. Also, I fell in love with this tray right here as well. Very nice. One day at a time. These pillows, I think they were, let's see, I think they were $10, $14 if I'm not mistaken. And these shelves right here. These are very nice. I like the wooden detail, the wooden bottoms. $16. More pillows, and they had tons and tons of candles, guys, if you see those. And look at the containers, how detailed they are. I like those. I don't remember the prices, but I want to go back and pick up some of more of the black ones. Those pillows are nice, and they have more of the 4-piece pre-wash sheet sets right there for $22. Very nice. I'm loving this bungalow, Urban Bungalow right here. All right, some more Urban Bungalow, but this is the kitchen section. They have a lot of nice kitchen towels here. Sometimes I wet my plants. Those were $5. I think all of these were $5 if I'm not mistaken. But they're really nice. Let's see. Yeah, $5 for those. This is my happy place. They have those right there. Home is where your plants are. Look at this table runner right here for $12. They had it in gray and that beige one back there for $12. They had a lot of placemats right here. I think those were $3.50. But they had them in the beige and the gray. More placemats. Look how nice these are, guys. I'm loving these. These are $3.50 as well. I love the turquoise one in the back. They have these little salt and pepper shakers here, the elephants. $5 for those. They have this 4-piece beer set right here for $10. You get 4 beer mugs here. Look at these containers right here. Those are really nice. $10 for those. They have these little spoon rests right here. Those didn't have a price, but I really like those. They have this fork, knife, and spoon caddy here for $10. They have a 4-piece of the wooden coasters right there for $8. And how cute is this tray? How nice this tray is, $10. I love the detail of the tray. Very nice. They have containers. I love the tops. Those were $6. And look how nice this bowl is. A wooden bowl. Very nice. And I love these containers right here in the Urban Bungalow containers. They had medium and small for $5. I think the smaller ones were $5 and the large ones were $6. They have the soap dispensers down here at the bottom for the kitchen. Not sure what the price of those are. And as I had to move to the side, a lady was passing by. I saw these little wall decors right here. Our nest. Stay a while, live simply, choose joy. Our nest, those were really nice. And I really fell in love with this one, family. Very nice. And they were all $6. I had to go back and check the price. But aren't those nice, guys? I really like those. Like I said, I'm really feeling this Urban Bungalow. I really like that. And they have, looks like a, some type you want to make tea or lemonade. You can put that in those containers. I don't remember the price. All right, so they have some nice little lamps here. Let's see, these lamps are, they said they're $15 and up. Look how cute this one is, guys. It's just a glass lamp for $15. And they have some smaller ones here at the bottom. And they have the floor lamps as well. All right, so on this end cap right here, they had more table decor, grow where you're planted. These were $5. Enjoy the little things. Stay a while, I think that was $6. I love fall most of all, and I think that was $6 as well. They also had a lot of the little faux plants here. The little blue flowers in the little gray pot there. $5 for that. And what caught my eye on this end cap was these little candle holders right here. They were scented. The green one is fresh eucalyptus. I don't remember what the pink one is. I really can't see that there. But these were $5. These candles right here were $6. Choose happiness. And that one, guys, that smelled amazing. Those are really nice. Magnolia blossom, $6. And they had this little succulent plant right here with a bird holder. And they had a lot of nice art here, wall art. All right, so on this end cap, they had a lot of farmhouse type items. This right here, Be Kind. I thought that was a really nice decor. Make yourself home. Come back real soon. I think those were $5. But they had a lot of nice wall decor here. Think happy thoughts. Bless this mess. I think both of those were $6. Very nice farmhouse decor. And I love these little green glasses right here where you can put an LED candle on the inside. I believe in cake for breakfast, which is a true statement. I love some cake. Too much Monday, not enough coffee. Very true. And I think these were $7 if I'm not mistaken. These were $7 as well. Hello, family. Yep, those were $7. And these little candle holders right here. Love those. $5 for those. And they have these little trinket dishes right here. It says Farmhouse. All right, so all of these pieces right here are by Broyhill. Look at those, guys. I love those. Let's see. $10 for those. Very nice. They have the globes. If you're looking for faux plants, they have these right here. These are going for, let's see, I picked up one that doesn't show the price. They don't show prices, but this is what they look like. They have the little birds here. $5 for those. Little candle holders. They come in white and gray. Here's some, actually this is like a beige color. But here are the gray ones right here. They have these bookends right here. They don't have a price. But like I said, they're adding new stuff out as we speak. The girl has plenty of boxes there that she's putting out. So I'm not going to disturb her at the moment. But I wanted to show you something else as I come down here. Look how cute those are right there. Very beautiful. If you're into that farmhouse theme, these are $20. Let's stay inside. Let's go out. These are $6. Love is the answer. Let's see, these are $5. Fresh Flower Market, but they have a lot of nice things in lavender. Very nice. Look how nice this is right here. Very nice. Let's stay home. That decorative bucket right there. Look at this right here. Very nice. Home where family gathers, friends meet, and roots grow. Very nice. Okay, so as you can see down this aisle right here, they are putting out some farmhouse decor. Home is where the herd is. As you can see, the row is very bare. But back to this little decor right here, they have these two little succulent plants right here. Very nice. Home is where the herd is. I love these little solar lights here. I think those were $12. Yep, $12. Very nice. Welcome to our home. Don't go baking my heart. Very nice. $8 for that. They have these little trucks down here with the succulent plants on the back for $14. They also have some tractors down there. These little bloom decor bottles right here, $6. And as you can see, I wanted you to see what items they were putting out. They have some nice pillows on here. Those flowers right there for $10, light blue, green, dark blue. Very nice. That wreath up there. They have these little water ceramic tabletops right here for $8 in blue and white. And a lot of the faux plants they have down here at the bottom. I love those little cute owls right there. Very cute. They have some trays out. I don't remember the prices of these. They also have a 4-piece or 4-pack of plates right here. The time is now. Very nice. All right, so I just had to pop down the Easter aisle here. They have this welcome sign right here with this welcome wreath and the welcome decor right here with the blue truck. And on the other side over here, they have a lot of Happy Easter wreaths out. $15 for those. I love those yellow flowers right there. They have different garlands right here. They range in different prices. I think I saw $7 up to $10. Very nice. They have some picks down there at the bottom for $2.50. These little faux plants right here. I love the spring colors. Very nice. This wreath right here. $12. Very nice wreaths for Easter. Look, the Easter egg trees down there at the bottom. The little welcome container right there for $14. And they have these candle holders right here with the eggs. Very nice. But it looks like they're starting to put more items out. It looks like beach type theme. So I'm assuming that they're going to move all the Easter stuff out and put new stuff in. But everything is real nice and colorful. All right, so it looks like they've added some more Easter items down this aisle here. This little green truck, $14 with the bunny. These decorative eggs right here are $6. Really nice. This little decor right here was $10. This welcome sign up here, $8. Hanging with my peeps. This is $14. They have some of the Easter egg trees down here at the bottom. Those were really pretty. This Easter decor right here, I don't think it had a price on it. I don't remember seeing a price, but that's really pretty. Happy Easter. They have some of the yard stakes here. They were $14. They also had the bunnies up there at the top, if you can see those. But they were in different colors. A lot of the pastel lights. And a lot of the plush toys here. But I just wanted to pop down this aisle, guys. Look at the baskets, really pretty. Just wanted to pop down this aisle to see what they had to offer. I do want to thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel today. If you're new, hello and welcome. My name is Miss Queen Bee, and I will see you guys on the next video. Look at the jewelry for the little girls. Bye, guys.